YouTubers and RVers. Here we are having fun in our RV. But today we're kind of having fun in somebody else's RV in that we're going to look at one that compares to the 17B. Now, the 17B is the entry level that we kind of set the standard by. Is an entry level RV better or worse, bigger, smaller, whatever, better deal or what? But this is the 174 BH by Salem Forest River, okay? And it is kind of comparable to a 17B in size and such, and even in the floor plan a little bit. But we're going to talk about it today. How does it compare to the 17B? Now, I am at a brand new Camping World dealership in Lewisville, Texas. When I say brand new, I mean a week old. It's jam-packed full of people who want to please you, okay? Who want to take care of you. We brought our RV here Monday, just like 5 days ago, with a couple of problems that I thought should be handled by the warranty. Some trim was coming off and a lighting issue. And the service guy said, yeah, bring it here today, or rather Monday that day. And I did. They kept it all day. I got it back. My trim all looks brand new. My electrical problem now is solved. We can go on a trip this weekend and do it in comfort and pride, thanks to them, okay? And they were really nice about it. Didn't charge me a dime, okay? And so already this Camping World has a positive review. There's an experience right there that I can say it worked out real well. So I'm happy to be able to talk about this this unit behind me here and how it compares to the 17B. Now you're going to find it interesting in price. I promise you that. But remember, if you like these kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe. That helps us a whole bunch, okay? So here we go. We're going to talk to the salesman here, and we're going to look at the 174 BH Salem Forest River. Well, here we are at Camping World with BJ Cannell. All right, okay, good. And he's going to help us a little bit in learning about the 174 BH by
BHLE.
BHLE by Forest River or Salem?
Yeah, Forest River, Salem. Yeah.
Okay, great. And he's going to talk a little bit about it, the difference between it and the 17B. It's got nice differences. It's also got things that are like the 17B that I like, or maybe some that I don't like. But it's still a entry-level RV. I think you're going to enjoy looking at it. All right, well, good deal. Well, all right, BJ, why don't you tell us a little bit about this unit compared to maybe the 17B?
Okay, the 17B and the Salem FSX 17 BHLE basically have the same floor plan, but there are several big differences. First and foremost is the air conditioning unit. The air conditioning unit in this unit is a 13.5 BTU unit that's roof mounted, where the 17B has a little micro window unit, which you've seen window units in your houses. It's not that, it's much smaller. So dealing with the Texas heat is much more easy this way, much more efficient. Another couple of things to point out behind Micah, we have storage on this side, a nightstand next to the bed, storage above the bed. We also have a little hanging rod for some clothes in here, okay? Also another difference is that we have electric outlets on both sides of the unit instead of just one side. I know Micah said that when you were editing Judy, you would have to run a cord from one side to the other to do your work. Well, you're not gonna have to do that in this unit. Another difference is the sofa in this unit versus the little dining table in here, which is nice at the end of the day, or if you want to sit down.
And I also noticed that it comes with a dining table that you then pulled out and put right here.
It does.
It's a similar kind of what we have.
Yeah, under the bunks there's storage for the dining room table as well. Another thing to point out is the window on this side does open up, so you can get a cross breeze going through here in the summer, or in the spring or in the fall as well. There's storage under the bed. The thing about the units, especially when they get smaller, every way they can create space and storage, that's what they do. That's all it's about in these is space and storage. So I think that's about it. We just opened up a week ago Monday, but please come in, ask for me. If you want to get in touch with me, my phone number is 214-972-8354, or you can reach me by email at bj@campingworld.com, or just come into the Lewisville location. Anybody here would be more than happy to help.
And we appreciate it. We've enjoyed seeing this thing, and I think our viewers are going to love seeing it. And hopefully somebody will come by here and talk to you and take these things off your hands or buy a 2024.
Perfect. Yeah, this dealership's been on hold for about 6 or 8 months, so we do have last year's inventory on several different models. We are getting 2024s in every day as one goes out, 6 more come in. So,
all right, great, thank you.
All right.
All right, well, here we go. We're going to do a little critical review, a little honest review for you right here. How does this one compare to the 17B? We like to use the 17B as the entry-level example. It's the least expensive, but now I like the 17R maybe better than the 17B, but if you're a family with a couple of 10-year-olds or something like that, then the bunk bed configuration might be the best thing for you. Well, let's talk a little bit about the differences between this unit and the 17B. For example, you got this nice space up here for storage or something. No, what it is there's no microwave. Well, microwave is kind of easy. You can go to Walmart and get your microwave, put it up here, and you'll be good to go. So, all right, no microwave, but microwaves are cheap. All right, this is the thermostat here for this AC up here like that. I like that better than the way the window unit thing does in our 17B. There are other things I like about it. I like this couch kind of futon configuration here a lot because we like to watch television, and the way it's set up for the 17B, you got to sit at either the dinette or lay in bed to watch television. This would be a little bit nicer to be able to do this. So I like that better. It comes with a table that you can take and put out here and eat off of, stuff like that. I like the fact that it has those outlets on both sides of the unit, and the 17B doesn't. If we want to do some video editing at the dinette, we got to run an extension cord over to there. We got a lot more outlets here than the 17B does. I like that little closet kind of thing that this one has. And the 17B doesn't really have a place to hang any kind of clothes, shirts, or anything up like that, and so that's kind of a neat thing. One of the things it has, like the 17B, that a lot of people don't appreciate are these cabinet doors. You have to hold them up while you get stuff out. To remedy this situation, a lot of people are putting in these lift struts, these gas struts there that hold them up. They work great and they're inexpensive, and we have a video on how to do it. I highly recommend you do that if you get this one or 17B or 17R or some of the other Coleman products. These cabinets seem to be nicer, made a little bit better. What else? Some of the windows that it has all over the place, nice. But you know, if you go online and you look at a 17B with a Coleman video, a Camping World video, or even a Coleman video, they're going to tell you the first thing you need to do is replace that teddy bear mattress. Now, these mattresses are okay if you're a 10-year-old. That's not a problem at all. They're halfway decent, to be quite honest, for that application. But a couple of adults don't want to be sleeping on these things. Get rid of that teddy bear mattress and replace it with something. First thing we did was we got a real thick memory foam, trimmed it to fit, and actually that worked quite well. It was quite comfortable, but it's kind of trouble to make up and some other things. So we finally broke down and got a mattress from Amazon. You can buy one from Camping World, as a matter of fact, for about $300. That'll work just fine. That's a decent mattress. And that brings to mind something I always like to talk about. You know, make a deal. They want to make a deal with you. If you go in and you're buying a brand new one of these things and you're pretty much paying sticker price for it, get something for that. And one of the things you can get is probably a mattress. They'll sympathize with you a little bit and maybe throw in a $300 mattress if you say that's what you need in order to seal the deal. That's one of the things that you can do in haggling. So I highly recommend that sort of thing. But more than that, I recommend the first thing you do is you get rid of that mattress. The second thing you need to do, maybe it's the first thing you need to do. My wife, she told me flat out when we bought ours, I'm not going on any kind of long trip without a spare tire. And let's face it, these little trailers like this don't come with spare tires. You Google it, RVs come with spare tires, and no, that's just an industry standard. They don't do that anymore. You can go to somewhere like Discount Tire and tell them what you got, how to do it, and show them your RV, and they'll fix you up. They'll do everything you need to get you a spare tire, and that's going to cost you around $200, $250 probably. But you need a spare tire. Let's face it. So the two things I would do on this unit are same two first things I would do for a 17B: new mattress and a spare tire. Now, having said that, this one's kind of nice. It's got more leg room. It's nicer in some ways. It's got this air conditioner, which is a big deal. Well, how does it compare to price? Well, I'll be honest with you. This is a 2023. I'm always telling people, hey, you can get better deals if you wait till the new model comes out, and then they're going to be trying to sell the old models. This is a brand new dealership, opened just a week ago, like I said. They kind of want the old models off their lot, right? Well, they're selling this one right here, and they have 3 of them for cheap. All right, brand new 2024 is going to cost you around $25,000. This one right here that you're looking at is going to cost you about $12,000, and they have 2 more. Now, am I saying you need to drive from Des Moines to get down here and buy it here? No, there's probably a Camping World near you, and they probably have some 2023 still on the lot, so go there, all right? My experience with this Camping World has been really positive so far, and so I would, if you're near Louisville, Texas, I'd recommend coming here, talking to BJ, and you can get this one for around $12,000 if you hurry. All right. Well, that's about it for me. It compares to the 17B in lots of ways. It's a little bit more expensive than the 17B if you buy the current year model. If you buy last year's model, you can get it for some. So that's kind of it for me. If you guys have any questions, please pose them in the comments, and we'll get back with you. We promise. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you down the road.